Canada is known for its innovative financial solutions, but how does it fare in the field of cryptocurrencies? In this article, we take a look at how Tokentact is transforming crypto trading and enabling Canadian investors to benefit from advanced technology, user-friendly tools, and secure trading. Anyone looking to stay at the forefront of the financial world should not hesitate to try the features of Tokentact by following the link in the description and keeping an eye on the platform during our analysis. Tokentact is more than just a crypto trading platform. It's a tool designed specifically for those who value comfort, efficiency, and security. Why is Tokentact the ideal choice for Canadian traders? The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to use for both beginners and experienced users. Beginners benefit from comprehensive guides and tutorials that help them quickly navigate the world of crypto trading. Experienced traders have access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies and flexible trading settings, allowing for various trading strategies. This versatility makes Tokentact an attractive option for users of all experience levels. Why is Tokentact safe? In the crypto world, security is of utmost importance. Tokentact provides top-tier protection for your transactions and accounts. Cutting-edge encryption technologies secure your transactions. Two-factor authentication further protects your account. Your assets are safely stored in cold wallets. Thanks to these security measures, you can be confident that your data and capital are well protected. Another outstanding feature of Tokentact is its speed. Transactions are processed in seconds, and this happens anytime, around the clock. The platform also offers a transparent fee structure, no hidden fees. You always know exactly what you're paying for. Particularly advantageous conditions for active traders. This makes Tokentact a cost-effective choice for users who want to keep a close eye on their investments. Another highlight is Tokentact's trading bot. This bot automates trading and offers the following benefits: quick response to market changes, avoid missed trading opportunities even if you're busy, maximize profits through automatic trend analysis and trade execution. In the dynamic crypto market, such tools are invaluable. Tokentact stands for quality and reliability in crypto trading, fully aligned with the highest Canadian standards. If you want to optimize your trading strategies and use modern technologies, Tokentact is the ideal choice. Click the link in the description to start trading today and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new reviews and tips.